Food is the best way to heal eczema because everything you put in your mouth are the nutritional building blocks of every single cell in your body. But it's also the best way to create inflammation in the body as well. We'll start with inflammatory foods. So this is just very basic, and you probably know this. Processed foods with artificial flavorings, colorings, fast foods that are deep fried in vegetable oils, seed oils, refined sugar too. It's really a balance of when there's inflammation, do I have the support to reduce the inflammation? Your eczema is a product of inflammation inside your body. I talk about drops in the bucket, stress and anxiety. That's going to be part of it. These foods and what you're putting in your mouth are going to be a big part of it as well. When we're healing, if we can reduce that so we have more skin resilience, that's helpful. But the aim of the game, and we tell everybody in the Love Your Skin program, is the 80-20 rule. On the weekends, go out with your friends and family, go have delicious meals and have cake, celebrate birthdays and all of that while you're doing the work healing. And if there's a lot of inflammation in the body from other sources, this is a good first step to reduce that inflammation. So we'll go through some of the nutrients that are essential for healing eczema.